Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, the square root of x squared plus 25 minus 13.
Outside,
Yes. Over x plus 1.
plus 12.
Yes.
What do I do with this?
When I was doing it.
Well, is it a limit? That's my question.
I did not write that part down. You're right. Yeah.
Well, I'm assuming is the limit as x approaches a negative 12. That's my assumption.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, otherwise,
Yeah.
okay. Very good. So we plug in, and we get 144 plus 25, which is 169. The square root of 169 is 13. 13 over 13. 0 over 0 is there is hope. Good. So what do we do in these situations? Very good. We multiply top and bottom by the conjugate. Remember, one more time, I'm begging you to redo the problems we do in class first. Because otherwise you're going to stumble from the very first problem. So please do that. Okay, so then this is limit as x approaches negative 12. The denominator is x plus 12. And the square of x squared plus 25 plus 13. I should have asked you from before I even wrote this, which factor has to go away from the top and the bottom? X plus 12. Very good. Awesome. Okay, so can anyone give us the numerator of this fraction?
X squared plus 25 minus 169.
Excellent. Well done. It's a plus b times a minus b. A plus b times a minus b is a squared minus b squared. Awesome job. Thank you. Any questions so far? Is this okay? Perfect. So then limit x approaches negative 12, and this is x squared minus 144. X plus 12, the square root of x squared plus 25 plus 13. And of course, what do I expect to come out, to remove from the top? So what do we do with the numerator? Yes. Awesome. How?
X plus 12 x minus 1.
Notice that the limit operator does not disappear. I cannot give credit if your limit operator disappears till the very last step, because it makes no sense. So now we can write the final answer. Where does the numerator go? Where does the numerator go?
Negative 12 minus 1.
Good. Where does the denominator go? It's 144 plus 25, which is 169. The square root of 169 is 13. 13 plus 13 is 26. And we will simplify by 2. So negative 12 over 13. And that's the limit. As you notice, this is the last step. That's where the limit operator can be dropped. Any questions on this problem? Any questions? Okay, so now the question was to find another absolute value limit. So I don't know. I still would like your input. I don't remember exactly how many we did from here, maybe 2, but I don't remember which ones. We can also look at this one if you'd like. It's up to you.
Is that number 42 at the top?
This is 49, and this is 41, 42. Let me enlarge. Did we do 43? I think we did 43 last time. I'm pretty sure. That's what I'm saying. If you don't redo the problems we do in class, you're going to fall behind.
We did.
We did 43 last time.
46.
We did 46 last time.
I'm getting them right out.
We did 46, correct? So please choose another.
Try 44.
You want 44. I don't think we did 44, did we? No. Okay, very good. Let's do 44. 107. So remember, you will not accumulate the knowledge. It will go away, it will come and go if you don't redo the problems we do in class till you understand them. Please. Okay, so we decided on 44, and this is limit as x approaches -2 from 2 minus the absolute value of x over 2 plus x. Good. The question will ask us to simplify fully. And we do have to start with the absolute value of x. Every time we see an absolute value, we know we should expect two different options. So what are the options for the absolute value, plain x? Anyone?
Excellent.
Thank you very much. So now we want 2 minus the absolute value over 2 plus x, because we know there will be two different options. However, there is one situation here in which x cannot be -2, and we have to keep that in mind. And we know why, right? We know why.
Yeah.
Correct, perfect. So then so we have two options, one for greater than or equal to 0 and one for less than 0 without -2. These two go together for the second half. So when I replace x by the absolute value of x by x, I just get this. I get 2 minus x over 2 plus x. Agreed? But what happens when I replace the absolute value of x by -x? This negative with negative will become positive, so I get 2 plus x over 2 plus x, which is 1. Very good, awesome. So when I'm given something like this, and it's 0 in the denominator, I should have put that from the very beginning. It's 0 over 0, correct? There is hope, but I still have to determine that both limits, left and right. I have to find the limit from the left and the limit from the right. Now, which branch? Where is -2 from the left or -2 from the right? Are they here or here? Top or bottom? I know it's a silly question. This is -2. It cannot be here. There is no way this is greater than or equal to 0. So where could it be? In the second branch. So since both are what do I write? What is the limit of a constant?
The constant.
Good. So since they are both the same, left and right of -2, what do we conclude about the limit as x approaches -2 from either side from 2 minus the absolute value of x over 2 plus x? How much? Of course. Thank you very much. This is it. So the limit from either side is 1. But the problem was also asking us to simplify the function fully. And we did. For greater than or equal to 0 is this function. For less than 0 except -2 is this function. Good pick. It was an interesting problem. Any questions? Any questions? Is this okay, everyone? Okay, so I wrote another quiz for you for 5 minutes. Open notes, open book. I'm hoping that you you have your other quiz to turn in. Giving it another shot. Open those, open those. You can open anywhere you want except on the internet.